Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to do this kind of winter vegetable soup today. You can add any selection of veg you want. I'll show you what I'm using in a minute. It's beautiful, it's vegetarian, it's vegan, it's delicious, it's healthy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we've got 3 cups here of potatoes, 3 cups of carrots, 2 cups celery, 2 cups onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic. Now there's quite a lot more going in this, but we need to get started with this. So you're going to need a large pot, and in that pot I've got some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. Change that if you want. I've got about 4 tablespoons. In goes the onion. In goes the celery. The potatoes, you can see the size that I've cut these. And the carrots. I cut them into rounds and cut them sort of like that. We can drop in the tablespoon of garlic. We can get some salt and black pepper in the mix. Above medium heat, let's go for about 4 to 5 minutes. Give these a nice head start. Coming together really nicely. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. I mean, that's what I'm going with today. You can change that. Paprika, oregano, tarragon, any spice you like really. I've got some white cabbage, about 3 cups again. And I've got 1 can of 400 ml, regular sized looking can of tomatoes that I chopped up. They were whole. 5 more minutes, stay on this lively heat, stir often. Okay, so I'm going to add my last couple of vegetables. I've got a cup of corn there. That was a frozen one. You get it from a can if you want. And peas, green peas. To that we're going to add liquid. I'm going to start off by adding this vegetable stock. That's 1.5 litres there. I'm going to have to top it up with a bit more water. So 2 litres. That's what I've added, but you want it kind of that consistency. Okay, we're going to get it down to below medium now. Let it go until your potatoes, carrots and that are nice and tender. Probably going to, for me, be about another 10 minutes or so. I'm going to give it a stir every now and then. Beautiful. Okie dokie, then have a look at that. Beautiful. That's a lovely one. That is nice and thick. Now it's kind of reduced down a little bit with the water, or the stock, whatever you want, but you can top that up a bit, but I'm going to go there. That's good. Check it for salt. You might want to add a bit more salt maybe. That's it, job done. That's going to keep you nice and warm and healthy in the winter times. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.